Have you ever seen a giant ship float on water? It's like magic, but it's not magic, it's science. It's called buoyancy. Buoyancy is the reason why some things float and others sink. Isn't it cool that something so heavy can stay afloat? That's the power of buoyancy. Let's learn more about this amazing force. Buoyancy is an upward push. Water and other liquids push up on objects. This push is called buoyant force. Imagine a bathtub full of water. When you put a rubber duck in the water pushes it up. This upward push is buoyancy. Whether something floats or sinks depends on two things. 1, the weight of the object, and 2, the buoyant force of the liquid. If the object is heavier than the buoyant force, it sinks. If the object is lighter than the buoyant force, it floats. Think about a rock and a leaf. A rock is heavy so it sinks in water. A leaf is light so it floats on water. Section 4. Buoyancy in action. Buoyancy is everywhere. It's the reason why boats float on water, allowing us to travel across oceans. Hot air balloons float in the air, taking us on breathtaking rides. Life jackets help people float in water, keeping them safe. Buoyancy is a powerful force that plays a big role in our lives. Section 5. Fun with buoyancy. Experiments at home. Let's try some fun experiments to see buoyancy in action. Experiment 1. The floating orange. Take 2 oranges, peel 1 orange. Fill a sink or a bowl with water. Gently place both oranges in the water. What happens? The peeled orange sinks, but the unpeeled orange floats. Experiment 2. The sinking grape. Get a glass of water and a few grapes. Drop 1 grape into the water. It should sink. Now, add a few spoonfuls of salt to the water and stir. Drop another grape into the salty water. Does it float now? Experiment 3. The Cartesian diver. Fill a plastic bottle almost completely with water. Use a dropper to get a bit of air into it or use a small bendable straw. Just submerge it mostly and trap some air inside by holding your finger over the top hole. Place the dropper or straw in the bottle and screw the cap on tight. Squeeze the bottle. Does your diver sink? Stop squeezing and watch it rise back up. These experiments show how buoyancy works in a fun and easy way.